Oh my God. Hey girl, hey. My teeth were damaged in a near fatal car accident. I broke my jaw in 3 different places. My teeth were extremely chopped up. It caused a lot of gum decay, so I just have a lot of issues. People can tell you all day long you look fine, but as a person that does public speaking, I don't feel comfortable talking. I feel unconfident no matter how confident I appear in my pictures. And it's been years, so I wanted to try the Pop On Veneers. Here it goes. Oh my God. Hey girl, hey. And see, I'm so used to doing that to hide my tooth. Now I don't have to put my tongue on my tooth anymore, so.